Welcome, in this video we are going to learn connect command in Metasploit. There is a miniature netcat clone built into the MSF console that supports SSL, proxies, pivoting and file transfers. By issuing the connect command with an IP address and port number, you can connect to a remote host from within MSF console, the same as you would with netcat or telnet. Let's open up terminal and nmapping on gold.com. Type nmap gold.com. It will take few minutes, so here I'm forwarding it. Here we can see that FTP, HTTP, HTTPS, RTSP, PPTP are the open ports. Now open up Metasploit framework. Type MSF console. You can see all the additional options by issuing the -h parameter, the basic usage, connect options, communicate with the host similar to interacting via netcat, taking advantage of any configured session pivoting. Basic options -C, try to use CRLF for UL sequence, -P specify source port, -S specify source address, -c specify which communication to use, and so on. Now let's connect the Google 443 open port. Type connect 216.58.203.142.443. Here you can see that our terminal is connected to 443 port gold.com. So that's it in this video on connect command in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.